Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Prachi Dhyani and through this channel we share informative video regarding Google apprenticeships, internships and all the real opportunities regarding the field and the different fields also we explore. So today we are making a video after a long days, and I just wanted to share that something very real about the interview of one selected candidate of Google is coming soon, guys, on the channel, and they will be sharing their experience and all the related things. So today's video is for all the people. If I mean all the people, means who are from technical background, non-technical background, and all the people. This video is going to help you for building your corporate career and making your personality stand out. So if you are someone who has done BA, BCom, BSc and BTech, BC, anything, this video is definitely going to be a very grateful for you, and it might help you to make clarity. And at the end of the video, I hope that you all have a clarity rather than confusion. I have mixed up bullet points on my laptop also, so I'll be sharing it from there also, and we will be doing. Also, share different domains and different things about which you wanted to know, so I can share the similar opportunities and related thing to you. So let's start with the very first point we will be discussing today in this video about the internships and how to find everything in this. So number one is clarity in power. Clarity is power. Why I am saying this? Because when you are choosing the field, be particular and try to decide your thing in the basis that you are interested in it. The very second thing is that you have to do it for your life. Okay, mainly for several years you were doing to perform in the same domain. So please choose wisely. First, explore things, explore different things, like if you are from technical, coding, language and some AI, cyber security, explore different domain, non-tech, HR, business, digital marketing, PM. There are several roles. Explore them. Once you are decided, first also how you will explore. You will explore through internship and through some courses, from YouTube video you will get to know. And when you study something, you will be clear that what you wanted to do and what you don't want to do. So be clear and particular about. Once you have explored, stick to the one domain and try to make a strong profile for this. If you are someone from cyber security, first understand its basic, understand its background, try to understand it basic. Then through internship, know how it really works in domains and in practical work. And then through this, if you have several internships, you have proper knowledge about that, you will be good to go. So make clarity and try to choose everything and make it practical through internship and stick to that. You know, nowadays Instagram, everything has very thing that someday you will see digital marketing is trending, someday you will see cyber security will be trending. But once you studied something, please make it so strong. Everything is helpful and every degree is great if you have done it very greatly. Okay, please calm and focus on you. The second point is skill building. Now that's not particular that you need to have 100 certificates, but the thing it is, if you have one certificate, be sure that you know the skills. Be sure that you know everything that is comes under the same. Because doing a lot of degrees or doing a lot of certificates will not guarantee you a job until you don't know what comes under. It is important na. You should know that what comes under, that's how it will be important. Let's suppose if you have done 50 certificates and you know each and everything, what it has done, how it is done and duration, everything you know about it, it is very powerful. But suppose if you have done 100 but you don't know about the one, you are doing it like time pass and just fill it. No, this will not going to help. So please build your skills, try it from some basic. In YouTube there are a lot of sources. Try to understand first from YouTube. If you feel that you need more clarity, go with some courses, some free course. Explore, important, explore about your field, so you know what you need to do. First start with that. Okay, then once your skill is building through internship, you will get to know how it really works in practical words and how it could be done. Step 3, skill building done, clarity in power done. Resume strategy. Resume strategy is something that is very important, because whenever, how do one people get to know that what you have done and what you will do? But it can be only done through knowing your resume. So resume should be strong. Some points for the resume is, resume should be of 1 page. If you have not done much and you have not been so much of experience, you are some fresher candidate, don't make resume too lengthy and shift it to the next page. Okay, make resume 1 page. Second thing is clean format. Don't just engulf all the things in the same page. Means don't put extra, don't large this. Make crispy points but make it effective. Effective points are great. Don't add your photos in this. If you are making your resume in some sheets and it doesn't work. Make your resume in Canva, in whatever you like, then make it PDF and update your resume. And also when you are applying for some position, I'll suggest you to add something like, let's say if you are applying for cyber security, Prachi Dhyani resume.cybersecurity. So people will be aware about that for which position you. It is make easy work for you and them also. Then result focused. Make it very driven and make it very particular about the things. Let them know what you have done very clearly. Clean format. No, please don't add your pictures in this. I don't suggest making your pictures in this. Add the important things, add your skills very clearly, add your experience very clearly, add your education clearly. Year also add in here. Instead of writing some points, make it more good and sounds good. Instead of writing, I worked on marketing, write improved Instagram engagement by 35% in 2 months for dash company. Look, the sentence has changed, wordings has changed, meaning is similar but everything has changed. The point I worked on marketing looks so normal, but improved Instagram engagement by 35% in 2 months. Create strike na, you will feel, oh my god, 35% is engagement in 2 months, how does it do? Then that's create something different and it's so. Then instead of writing word on coding project, write built responsive website using HTML, CSS and developed on GitHub. These things make you little different and stand out in every position. Now step 4, LinkedIn optimization. In 2026, LinkedIn is not optional. For corporate people who want to work there and want to explore the domains, LinkedIn is something a good source, because you can ask for referral through this. You can apply for the different, you can go through the different, you can get to know that there are new openings in someone's company. You can ask, cold emailing, everything. You can connect with the great people who are working in the different organizations which you are aiming. So it's your digital identity. Don't just write there just like a student. I have seen people mentioning just a student. Instead write BTech student, aspiring data analyst and open internship. This is clear and you get to, the one who is looking your profile get to know all about you. Very good. Then if you are from management, don't write BBA student. Write BBA student if you are looking for HR enthusiast, open to opportunity. People would get to know that what you are looking, what you have done and what you are doing. Everything clear. Make things clear, sorted. So it is always easy for two sides of people. Add skill sections, 2-3 projects right there. Add your educations in LinkedIn, your skill certification. It is your digital identity. Like a resume, it is same, your details are there. Professional photo, very good. Then smart applying strategies. Step 5 is smart applying. A smart applying doesn't mean that you need to do some extra, but a strategy to look for the opportunities. Like apply through career page. If you are aspiring, go put your eyes on some career page so you can go and just grab the opportunity when comes and meet your JD and your requirement, your skills, etc. Apply through LinkedIn, Intershala. These apps help you and you will get to connect with the people. Also for LinkedIn, I will suggest to put like comments on the pictures of the peoples for the candidates, wish them it will help you to get connected with the more people because it create impressions. Okay, track your applications in Excel. Okay, application, like if you have applied, how you will track. Let's say if you applied for 10 internships and you have done your resume shortlisting, make on tracker name of the company, date, first round, second round, and mention. It will help you know from where you get hit back from there, how you will tackle them, and everything is clear and you will able to do. Smart applying is read JD very carefully and match your skills. If it is matches your, then apply for you. Explore related domains. But if you smart apply rather than applying to any post, whether it is of your domain or not, it job matters you, it job matches your skills or not, you will definitely got rejected. There is nothing bad. But always try to make related to your JD, explore the same fields that are related to your job profile, your qualification. So it will be very easy and understandable. Step 3 and last. Internship hunting is not one day process. You should be consistent. Consistent means, let's say you are working on your domain 3 hours. 1 hour you should be on revising, 4 hours done. Then 1 hours for skill building, 4 hours में skill building cover, 10 minutes for applying and 10 minutes for networking. Networking like comment, share, connect with the people who are working, ask for referrals, ask for anything you want to related to the professional life, and it will be help you. Consistency, keep applying, keep and look on opportunities, and everything is. That's all for today's video. Interview of selected candidate is coming very soon. If you are serious about your career in 2026, do subscribe this channel. This roadmap will be definitely going to helpful for you, whether you are technical or non-technical. Opportunities are for both. I will be posting all the day related these things, and I just wanted to help everyone related thing. Comment below your field and know what videos you want to see the next. And remember, clarity, skill, strategy, consistent is the key to the success. Bye bye. See you in the next video.